Guys, welcome back. Mr. AP here. So, just to recap, we created three panels, one for each section in our application, right? And also, we have this main form right here. So, today or right now, we are going to add all those panels that we created. Okay, so we are not going to use the available JPanel here in the containers section. We are going to use our own panels. Remember, we created our three panels here. These are classes, but they are panels because each class extends JPanel. So, are you ready? So, we're going to add the first panel for the pizza section or pizza product section. So in order to be able to add that panel, we will be using the choose component right here in systems folder. So just click on it and just type in the search box the name of the class or the panel, which is we called it pizza product. I think this is the one, right? Pizza product panel. So just click on it when you found it and then click the OK button. And we are ready to add that to the form. But there is a problem right now. So the default layout of the frame is border layout, wherein you have five sections: the north, the east, the south, the west, and the center. And for this application, we do not need that layout. We need to use another layout so it's easy for us to move around our components. So instead of using border layout, I want you to press the escape key to cancel our operation. Okay, so before we add our first panel, just click on the get content pane. You see the get content pane here on the upper left, and in the properties windows you would see the layout property, and like what I just said, it's border layout. This is the default layout of a frame or a form, right? So I want you to click on the pull down so all these are shown. So we are going to use absolute layout for this application. So just choose absolute layout by clicking on it, and now it's absolute. It's not border layout anymore. So let's try to do it one more time. Let's add our first panel, which is the pizza products panel. So again, from the system folder, choose component option. And then let's find it. I think this is the one that we want now, right? Pizza products panel. Just click on it and click the OK button. And now you won't see the five sections of the border layout anymore. So all we need to do is to place wherever you want to place the panel. So I want to put it on the in the upper left corner of this frame. And then if you want to make your panel bigger, just click and drag the corner or any of the sides of this panel. Now our first panel, which is the pizza products panel, is added to the frame. So as you notice, the frame is so small, right, compared to our target output. So what I'm going to do is to make the frame bigger. So go back to the upper left of this window, this eclipse, and then you would see the frame here. Just click on the frame to select the whole frame. So I'm gonna click and drag the corner, the lower right corner to make our form bigger, wider and taller. Then just to make the panel bigger as well, just click on it, and then you may drag it to the right to make it wider, or maybe a little bit taller, right? So I think this is enough to hold the main image and the 8 products, pizza products, with their corresponding text, labels, and buttons, right? So this is the first panel. We are done adding it to the frame. So the next panel that we need to add is the one with the information, the one with the order information. This one, right? This section right here. So I'm gonna add that to the frame. So again, I'm gonna click on choose component. I'm gonna choose this choose component option, and I'm gonna search for the panel that we created a few minutes ago, and that is called order information panel, and I think I found it. Yeah, so just click on it and then click the OK button. Then again, place it under the main, the big panel, and to make it bigger, just resize it, just like the way you resize a picture, a photo, right? So as simple as that. I think that's enough for our information panel. And the last but not the least, the last section would be the one with the button at the bottom here. So that is that panel. We called it order now panel. So again, to add that panel to the form, in the bottom of the form, we need to select this choose component again, then search for the order now, and I think this is the one. I found it. So just click and then click the OK button, and then make sure that you place it under the information panel, and you may make it bigger by clicking and dragging the corner, just like the way you resize the picture or whatever you resize, right? So voila, all the panels are added to the frame. In the next video, we're going to add more components to these panels. See you there. Bye bye for now.